Hello everyone, this is Mitesh Sawant and today we are going to discuss about artificial intelligence. So, basically what is artificial intelligence? As the name itself suggests, it comprises of two words, artificial and intelligence. What is artificial? Anything which is not natural, which is man-made is artificial. And what is intelligence? Intelligence is basically a process of learning from the past behavior and studying and gathering more and more knowledge. This is intelligence. Same goes with the definition of artificial intelligence. It refers to the simulation of human intelligence in machines that are programmed to think like humans and mimic their actions. So, the next question which comes in our mind is, how does artificial intelligence work? So, building an artificial intelligence system requires carefully an analysis of reverse engineering and human traits and applying them to a machine. So let us further classify artificial intelligence. So as we can see that artificial intelligence can be classified into deep learning, natural language processing, machine learning, neural networks and computer vision. Let us understand what is computer vision first. Computer vision is basically the application which is used in Facebook and Instagram. We all know when we tag our friends in a group picture, the name immediately emerges out when we just click on the face of the person. This is an application of computer vision. Computer vision algorithms try to understand an image by breaking down an image and studying different parts of the objects. Now let us understand what is neural networks. Neural networks, it is similar to the kind of neurons which are present in the human cell. Once a machine understands what the user intends to communicate, it responds accordingly. Now let us understand what is natural language processing. NLP is a science of reading, understanding and interpreting a language by a machine. Once a machine understands what the user intends to communicate, it responds accordingly. The applications of NLP are chatbot. Now let us understand what is machine learning. Machine learning or ML teaches a machine how to make inferences and decisions based on the past experiences. It identifies patterns and makes analysis on the past records and as a result gives a desired output. The machine learning is further classified as supervised learning, unsupervised learning, reinforcement learning, and semi-supervised learning. Let us discuss in short what each of one of this is. Supervised learning is basically learning in the presence of a supervisor, that is, it can be a teacher or anyone. Unsupervised learning is learning in the absence of a teacher. What is semi-supervised learning? It is a combination of both supervised learning and unsupervised learning. And reinforcement learning is learning based on past experiences and to some extent unsupervised learning. And lastly, what is left is deep learning, which we can say it is the bigger brother of machine learning. So let us discuss what are the advantages of artificial intelligence. As we all know, we are using different applications of artificial intelligence from a very long time, and the recent ones are most popular. The most popular ones are Alexa, iPhone Siri, Netflix and other videos on YouTube are the applications of artificial intelligence. The next movie recommendation or the next video recommendation on YouTube and Netflix is based on the past data of what we see and what we refer. Facebook also uses past data of the users and automatically gives suggestions to tag your friends. All these are applications of artificial intelligence. But as we all know, as every coin has two sides, the same is in the case with artificial intelligence. So let us discuss some advantages and disadvantages of artificial intelligence. With the help of artificial intelligence, there is a reduction in human error. We can help work for 24/7, example for ATM machines. Then it helps in repetitive work. We can get digital assistance, what we see in chatbot. Then there is a speed of decisions, faster decision making, and also medical field has a lot of applications and it improves efficiency. Now let us discuss some disadvantages of artificial intelligence. Definitely the cost of the product increases, there is a dearth of talent, then there is a lack of practical product, and also there is a possibility of misuse of artificial intelligence. Here are some applications of artificial intelligence. Healthcare, this industry has a lot of applications of artificial intelligence, specifically in the times of COVID-19. We are going to discuss it further. Then e-commerce website, as we all saw in the previous slides, like Flipkart, Amazon, Netflix, all this uses artificial intelligence. Then robots are also an applications of artificial intelligence. Human research refers to chatbot services and also customer service and packaging. Now let us discuss the applications of artificial intelligence as far as defense is concerned. As we all know, the next generation warfare is non-kinetic warfare, and it is also of high-end security and based on artificial intelligence. We can see in the slide here that there are some robots which are having machines and guns attached on it. They are kind of drones which are man-made and which can be controlled by humans without the driver being present inside it. All these are applications of artificial intelligence. We can see from the image how the first image shows us how a drone is being trained. That is an application of computer vision where it will sense each and every plane in the picture and learn from it. The extreme image on the image on the bottom left of the screen shows bomb slayers of the future, which is made by Defense Research and Development Organization, which is currently in testing phase. What this machine will do is it will detect bombs or landmines or IEDs which are present in a particular location automatically. So there will be definitely a reduction in the human casualties. But as far as now, this machine is in testing, and much of data is not available of this machine, as we all know that such information is confidential. Lastly, we'll discuss the applications of artificial intelligence in this time of corona crisis. It has helped us definitely in the case of screening for a population and for huge number of testing. So as we can see from the bottom left of the slide, there is an image having a thermal scanner in the hand. This is a thermal scanner, which is an application of artificial intelligence where we can scan the body temperature by sending gamma rays from the device or through the mobile phones. All these are applications of artificial intelligence. The image at the bottom right shows us thermal masking screen system, which is brought through Israeli intelligence, and it was presently being worked in cities of Mumbai and Pune. Definitely we know that these helmets cost a lot, which cost for about 6 lakh each, where it stores the data directly into the servers, reducing a lot of paperwork and errors as well. And also there is an image showing self-screen masking through mask, and also it reduces and kills the virus present on the mask with the heat in the mobile. So we all know that next generation will be purely based on robots and artificial intelligence. So we need to embrace ourselves and get together with technologies. But still there is a long way to come, and we need to adapt ourselves as per the time. Thank you. Jai Hind.